ideal superhero. Well, I'm not going to imagine any further qualities because we all know who is the best superhero. Batman. Have you looked at him? But if I had to imagine what my ideal superhero would be, it would probably be an amalgamation of how I would want the ideal guy in my life to be. He has to be a part-time superhero because I tend to mess things up quite often. So I would like a guy that cleans up my mess after me. So probably he should be somebody who can fill in my blank spots here and then. And when I create a mess or something like that, he can clean it up. And that's probably like a Friday night or something when I have like coffee all over and my hair's all a mess and everything. He should be able to like look at it and still think I'm beautiful. So that's probably another thing I would want my superhero to be. And another thing probably would be if he's invisible. That'd be like really, really good because I have this thing where I'm around people for some time and then I would start wishing, okay, I wish they were invisible. So that's probably going to happen with him as well. So my ideal superhero has to go poof invisible when I want him to go invisible, and yeah, he should cook. He should be like an amazing cook. So that would be another thing my ideal superhero has to be. And you know, if he can take me and fly around, because all of us have imagined flying around. So if he can like carry me, okay, that's hard to believe, but probably if he can carry me and fly around, that would be great as well. So probably we can go to like our vacations and you don't have to like spend a bomb on the flight tickets. And the last thing probably would be, he should be like a good masseuse. Like sometimes I need like really, really good massage when I'm stressed out. So probably that would be the other quality. And finally, he should be a kind of person who can shut up when I ask him to. So that would be my ideal superhero, aka my ideal guy. Thank you very much.